Good morning. Good morning. Today we'll say analytical conics for class 12 VSC and CAT exam and IIT exam and CBSC. I have taken from AIEEE books. It is by our Vedic Sutra, Urdhva Triyak Sutra, Lupana Sthapana Sutra and Addam Adhyena Sutra. Our this is application finding K from books AIEEE. Our 7th class students can do it easily with confirm, although it is higher mathematics. So this is the benefit of Vedic Sutra. Number 1. Here the question is given, this is equal to 0. 2x square plus 3xy plus y square minus 3x plus ky. Number is not given. Minus 2 is equal to 0. We have to find out the k is equal to what. At first, as per the previous video, make the factorize of it. Orally we can do this into this. We can write up and down always, and this 3 is from this, and we have to correct up to these two figure. Here Euler trial method -2 and +1, and x the -2 into 2x is equal to -4x, x are 1 plus x, so it becomes -3x, so that our figure is correct. And now y is equal to -2x plus x is equal to -x, and -2 into +1 is equal to it is -2, here -2, so that as per our this math almost correct, but here is -1, so that we can say ky is equal to, if we take -1 into y, then it becomes -y, so that we can say k is equal to -1 is our answer. Easily our 7th class student can do it. Now second one, here also we have to find out k is equal to what. At first we will do the factorize of it, and up and down orally we can do with the help of our Vedic Sutra, that is x plus 2y, x plus y. Now Euler trial method, we take +3 minus 2, and we have to correct up to at least 2. Here 3x plus 3x minus 2x is equal to plus x, so that our 3 and 2 is correct. Now 3x minus 4x is equal to -y, so that it is correct, so that 3 plus 3 into -2 is equal to -6. So here we have to find out what is k. K is equal to, it becomes -6, so that k is equal to -6 is our answer. Now another example. Here is also find out the k is equal to what? We will make the factorize of 3 and up and down. This is the factorize you can do by middle term also or in our Vedic math also. And Euler tire method, this up to this is the math is given. Now minus 3 is are 9x or 5 2s are 10x plus, so that it becomes plus x, and y 5 5s are 25y or minus a plus 3 2s are 6y, so that 31y. So our minus 3 plus 5 is correct. Now minus 3 into plus 5 is equal to minus 15. So our k is equal to minus 15 is the answer. And a student can do it straight with the help of Lupana Sthapana Sutra also, this factorize, this whole factorize. Anyway, I am telling from the integration chapter. This is current method. I told you that I have no ego. I have taken shortcut of current method as well as Vedic method, and this is very important formula for the all student 12 and those who will give the competition exam in engineering. And this is my collection based on this sutra. We have taken more collection. This is from IIT exam. This is from ACES exam. Example. This is from ACES book Esende, and this is from Esende. This is from ACES exam 2007 and AIEEE, and this is from CBSE book, and so many examples like this. And this is from 12 plus 12 science AVTA 2007-8, and this is from AIEEE guidebook, and this is from AIEEE guidebook, and so many examples with me in my old is gold book, so that I will not discussing this one because you know very well. Thank you very much once again. Please correct it. Here I told x instead of y. 3y in 2 into 2 4y, so that it is minus y, but I told x. Please bear with me and correct it.